Hello everyone, I would like to explore Celltrion, the forerunner of Korean bio companies, from various angles and analyze the factors leading to their success. First, Celltrion is a biopharmaceutical and a global comprehensive biotechnology company. It focuses on a biopharmaceutical business and that develops and produces various protein treatments such as anti-cancer drugs based in biotechnology and has developed the world's first biosimilar of autoimmune diseases called Remsima. And Celltrion was first founded as Nexol, the predecessor, in 2000 and by Chairman Jin and was created as Celltrion in 2002. Celltrion is operating with the capital of 134,997,805,000 won as of December 2020. In 2020, sales, operating income, and operating margin all increased compared to the previous year. Celltrion started its CMO business through contracts with Vaxgen and the multinational company BMS. Additionally, it tried to pioneer a biosimilar area in Korea. A biosimilar is an attractive area because it is a generic drug of a patented biopharmaceutical that can share profits from the drug monopoly market. Currently, in the global pharmaceutical market largely consists of chemical and biosectors, which are divided into new drugs and generic drugs respectively. Among them, Celltrion's main business areas include innovative new drugs and biosimilars that are related to in the field of generic drugs and biobetters, which are new drugs in the biosector. And biobetter differs from biosimilar in that it is free from patent issues and because it is an upgrade version of drugs that has developed an efficacy and safety and to increase drug efficiency and convenience of taking. And there have been two major changes in the way Celltrion has been operated. At the time of signing contracts with Vaxgen and BMS, Celltrion's main business was CMO. CMO means a contract manufacturing organization. Since its foundation in 2002, Celltrion has quickly jumped into the business by taking advantage of the situation where there was too much demand and insufficient supply. However, Celltrion's main field has shifted from CMO to biosimilars and due to the clinical failure of AIDS vaccines and the expiration of patents for blockbuster biopharmaceuticals. And Celltrion was able to preoccupy and dominate the market by entering the biosimilar field faster than any other domestic pharmaceutical companies and using pre-existing production facilities of the CMO business to develop biosimilars. And biosimilar, and that allowed Celltrion to grow significantly, also did not bring infinite glory. Since early 2016, the conditions of the biosimilar industry have also changed due to the threat of competition raised by the rapid growth of new entrants. As a solution to this, Celltrion tried to develop a new biomedicine by combining academic industry cooperation, which accumulated in the biosimilar completion manufacturing capabilities and biobetter technology. Research and management organizations and also reorganize them to improve expertise and increase the corporate competitiveness. And in addition to the current positive performance, Celltrion can be judged to have a bright outlook in terms of planned technological progress. And according to the 2030 Vision Roadmap released by the chairman Jin at the JP Morgan Healthcare Conference in January 2020, and Celltrion's 2030 goal is to provide EU healthcare convergence and network-linked platform-based projects, medical data, and AI-based and customized medical services. In light of the trends of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, and Celltrion's attempt to change is highly appropriate. Undeniably, Celltrion's main success factor is biosimilar. And Celltrion is said to be presenting a new milestone into traditional pharmaceutical companies that have settled for existing chemicals. Won Imok, the chairman of KPBMA, said, Celltrion's success story is a differentiated drug in the domestic pharmaceutical industry, which desperately shows that there is a chance of winning only when it competes in the global market. However, I also analyze that Celltrion can continue to remain a successful company without missing the lead in the bio industry, and because it is rapidly innovating in line with the changes of the times. And from a CMO business to the biosimilar industry, into the battery industry to biodata platform industry, and Celltrion has become a successful company, and because it has been the game changer and by finding the right prospects and meeting them. And not limited to Celltrion, I believe that the attitude of constantly reflecting and innovating itself is an essential factor for success. Thank you for listening to my presentation.